Here's one for you Chrysler fans. 1967 Chrysler Newport convertible. 440 4-barrel TNT. That was installed at a later date. It's originally 383. But look at that. Very nice condition. And the car in the real is absolutely drop dead beautiful. Straight, laser straight body. It's got the beautiful Vogue wheels and tires, which makes it look very nice.
Hey Nate, let's just look at that bus.
The condition of the front grille and bumper is beautiful. Engine bay, sharp, clean, and neat. So it's a special deal to have a really long convertible like this with a big old 440 that gets the whole show moving. What a nice treat. This canvas top on this car is absolutely beautiful. A friend of mine, Eric, owns this car, and he's done a lot with it.
22,000 say here, and then he's going to pick the car out and scratch, and then do it himself. Oh yeah, like those
Air temp.
Boy,
that's nice.
And what are you going to give me? And he said, okay, we'll give you 12,000 bucks. He said, okay. And they did it with his 39.
Rear bezels are nice.
Yeah, you got to use the Oh yeah. Well, that's for the price. You don't.
So you know what? Look at that size of that rear quarter panel. That thing is huge. But boy, this car really presents well. It's clean, it's nice. You can put the top down, go out for a nice sunny day drive. Remarkably good styling. 67 was a great year for Mopar, and this one is no exception. 67 Newport convertible with a 440 TNT high performance engine in it. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.